Hi everyone, I'm Derek Shaverly, Product Marketing Manager with American Suzuki. We're here today at Homestead Miami Speedway to launch the 2012 GSX-R 1000. I want to touch on a few changes that have occurred to the GSX-R 1000 this year. It has new Brembo monoblock brake calipers. We've lightened up the front end by a little bit thinner rotors, different front axle. Also, improvements to the engine, new camshaft timings from MotoGP engine building technology, lighter pistons, they're lighter by about 11%, helps accelerate the engine better. We've also installed pentagonal cutouts inside of the engine to allow the engine to breathe between the cylinder walls, again improving the mid-range and acceleration. Back towards the back of the bike, you'll see that we only have a right side muffler. We've removed the left side muffler from the 2011 model. Now it's much lighter in the back of the bike, which has moved the center of gravity forward, giving the rider a little bit better feedback turning left to right. Get to your local Suzuki dealer and check out the new 2012 GSX-R 1000.
Suzuki, way of life.